Bedford ReadyStair stair towers make efficient use of space, fitting in a 7-foot 6-inch by 12-foot nominal footprint and rising in 6-foot increments between landings. But just how easy are they to install? Here's a demonstration of how quickly a pre-assembled ReadyStair stair tower can be put in place. This tower is 24 feet tall and weighs approximately 6,500 pounds. Crane size and rigging will vary by installation needs. In this case, using a 14-ton crane with 2 straps rated at 6,400 pounds each, a single operator raised the tower into position in 90 seconds. And even though this demonstration tower isn't secured to a building, the pre-assembly has it ready to walk up from the start. Bedford ReadyStair stair towers can also be assembled on-site using ordinary tools. Contact the Ready Series team today to discuss your project and get your stair tower in place quickly, efficiently, and affordably.